Today let's explore Wavecrest Park in Iowa. At the end of this video, we will review the park together and I will share some thoughts of mine. At the end of this video, it will be like a tip to make yourself feel better in life in general and make yourself happier. So stick to me at the end of the video. This park tends to be very busy in summer. As you can see, so many people have come to enjoy their time. The beautiful thing is this park is close to a lake. The name of this lake is Carter Lake. If you guys like fishing and if you want to swim in a lake, this is a very good place to come. You can see people are swimming in this corner. It's kind of a small beach. If you don't live close to the ocean and live in Omaha, Nebraska, close to Iowa, you can definitely come here and spend time. This park is not super big, but it's a little tiny little park where definitely you can come and you can bring your family and spend some time enjoying the lake. And if you have any other stuffs like boats, yeah, you can see people are swimming as well as they're riding their boats, which is so fun. In this park, the shore is not that big, but you can see so many people have come and enjoying their time. If you guys want to come and want to swim, like I said earlier, it's a pretty good place. And if you like to come to a park which has kind of bigger shore, you can see on the other side, this is also park. The other side, the park name is Carter Lake Park, and that park is bigger, which has bigger trail. So if you also like to have bigger trails where you can walk, you can definitely come to the other side, which is located in Omaha. And this side is in Iowa. So Iowa and Omaha, it's divided here by this Carter Lake. Guys, do you guys like to ride these water skis? Please let me know in the comment. And do you guys know how to swim? Because if you ever come to parks like that and if you don't know how to swim, it would be kind of challenging for you guys to enjoy the water. So let me know if you guys know how to swim and whether you are willing to learn how to swim if you don't know how to swim. And I think it's very important to know how to swim. The authority have put these rocks on the shore to prevent erosion, and you are not supposed to throw these rocks into the lake, which is very important to maintain the beauty of this park. Oh, he has caught a big fish. Oh, no, are you okay? Oh, it looks very good. What will you do with this fish? Yeah, it's a good fish. Will you take it back to your cooler? Probably he's going to get some help from his family. This park has a bunch of swinging chairs like that, which is a nice addition in this park. I really liked it. So if you guys also like to have something like that, yeah, that's a nice addition, yeah, which you will be able to enjoy here. It also has a couple of grill areas. If you guys want to grill something while you are here, you can definitely do it. Now let's talk about the thing I wanted to talk to you guys at the beginning. In our life, we will always try to live a happy life, try to live at the present instead of worrying about past and be anxious about future. It's very important to be at present, focus on the present, work at the present, keeping future in mind. Whatever happened in the past, it happened. You cannot change anything what happened in the past. So to live a better life, it's the best to focus on present, work at present, keeping future in mind, having particular goals, that this is the goal I want to achieve. I should work at present so that I can achieve this goal. In our life, many things happen. We get hurt from people. It can be anywhere. It can be at your workplace. It can be, from your relatives. The best thing you can do to live a better life, to live a life which will help you move forward easily and peacefully, is to forgive everyone, whoever hurt you in the past. It can be your boss, it can be your relatives, it can be your parents. If they hurt you in the past, just forgive them. If you can forgive them, you can get yourself relieved from a huge burden, and that will help you to focus at the present and enjoy your life. Just try it. Just say that to yourself, that I forgive everyone, whoever hurt me. If my parents hurt me, I forgive them. And try that and let me know in the comments how you feel. I'm pretty sure you will feel a lot different, and you will be able to focus in your life, and you will feel different in your life and feel peace, and you will feel happy. And another important thing I should mention as well, when I say forgive everyone, I do not mean you need to forget what happened in your life in the past. You should not forget. Past is to take lesson. Past is our experience. Yes, if people hurt you, you forgive them. You're forgiving them, not for them, for yourself, so that you can focus on life, you can focus on present. Yes, you forgive everyone, everything happened in your life in the past, but you do not forget. You take lesson so that you do not do the same mistake again in your life, which can potentially repeat the experience you had in the past. So in short, you forgive everyone who ever hurt you in the past in your life, to make yourself focus at present and to make yourself happier. But you don't need to forget what happened in your life. You take that as a life lesson and move forward, and don't do the same mistake again and again in life. If you can do these two things, forgive people who ever hurt you, but do not forget. Take that as a lesson and move forward. You will feel different. You will experience your life different, and you will be able to achieve your goals easily and faster in your life. Please let me know, guys, if you change your mindset like that, you forgive everyone instantly, how you feel. Let me know in the comments. Now I'm gonna just talk about my experience at this park. That park has almost all of the amenities you would like to have in a park. Like, they have grill place, they have bathroom places where you can change your clothes after swimming in the lake, and they also have tiny little spaces here and there for your kids. Yeah, they have almost everything, but if you are a person who would like to walk in a trail, that park doesn't have big trail. So that's something, if you are looking for, probably this is not the best place to come. But if you want to come to a place where you will have a lake where you can swim and possibly ride a boat if you have, this is a very good place to come. So it has many aspects. On the aspects of amenities, yes, I will give it 5 out of 5. But when you swim, make sure here they do not have any lifeguard on duty, so you swim at your own risk. It has grill place, like I mentioned earlier, which I tend to look for. Yeah, and you can bring your family. It has huts, little shed. People also call it shed. Yeah, I like this park. Yes, overall I like this park. I will give it 4.5 out of 5 overall. Yeah, this is a pretty good place to come and spend your summer time with your family if you want. Okay guys, if you like my videos, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like my videos. I'll come and see you guys again with another video and share more stories with you. Until then, keep yourself safe, be happy, and spend time with your family, because they're very important in your life. There will be time, you will not have your parents around you anymore, you will not have your grandparents around you anymore. And I don't want you guys to feel like, at that point, like you should have spent more time with your family, you should have spent more time with your grandparents, you should have spent more time with your parents. I don't want you guys to feel like that when they are not here anymore. So yeah, be happy, be mindful about your life, spend time with your family. I'll see you guys in my next video.